William Ruto nigara higatia barai kurwase serikali yanene abega barai kurwase kaunti ya VIHIGA n'Abakenya kwene kyabunango chengera bari ritukeriga ryo guchengera abakora emeremo bonsi ase ensi ya Kenya iri kwene kiwakire tariki ya 15 kero mwaka BW'ENSE nigara ribage ryo kwegerera emeremo serikali yabekire yo kwene kyabunango kinere na kurenda abakora emeremo bonsi na kwene kyabunango kwigorere amabaga y'ekigasi annamono wekyasabasai.
Fellow workers and citizens, today is equally a historic moment. For the first time in the 60 years of celebrating Labor Day in independent Kenya, this national celebration are being held outside the capital city of Nairobi for the first time. And not just outside the city of Nairobi, it is being held in this great county of VIHIGA County. This is a significant and transformative step, a reflection of our commitment to reach, recognize, and directly involve workers across the country, including those in our rural economies whose contribution is no less vital to our nation's progress. Kenya is transforming. Kenya is changing right before our eyes. The noise may command attention, but it cannot, and it will never change reality. Because the true story of a nation is not told in sponsored headlines. It is written in the daily actions of citizens, like the 30.8 million Kenyans who have registered with SHA, and the thousands who continue to do so daily. Across the country, jobs are being created in their thousands, a clear testament to the capacity of our economy to absorb labor and expand opportunity. It is for this reason that I commend the Central Organization of Trade Union for the choice of this year's Labor Day theme. And I quote, "We support the Northern Link, accelerating trade through the Rironi-Malaba highway transformation." End of quote. The theme reflects a clear alignment with the government's strategic focus on infrastructure as a key driver of economic transformation, regional integration, and job creation.